we present the multifunctional rotary laser level NL620. The laser is available in a version with a red beam, NL620R, or with a green beam, NL620G. The device operates using digital technology. A digital receiver with numerical indications is included as standard equipment. The laser is protected against harsh weather conditions, as confirmed by its IP65 rating. And the most important component, the laser head, is protected by a metal housing. The device is simple and easy to use. It is used to establish a reference plane for measuring height differences. The horizontal plane can be tilted manually in one or two directions, which is useful for roadworks, paving, or installations. Measurements can be taken with high accuracy of about 0.72 millimeters per 10 meters over distances up to 300 meters. The working diameter is 600 meters. The equipment is powered by an onboard lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 8,000 mAh, which ensures many hours of continuous operation on the construction site. Function management is carried out via an intuitive control panel. Here you'll find the power on and off switch. We have the option to lock the compensator. In this mode, we can manually tilt the plane both transversely using the left and right arrows and longitudinally using the up and down arrows. When the tilt function is activated, measurements are protected in difficult construction site conditions. If the laser is bumped or moved, it will shut off and alert the operator to incorrect measurements. We have the option to set different rotation speeds for the head, 0, 100, 300, 600 or 800 revolutions per minute, as well as to use the scanning function, which narrows the displayed beam on the wall. The device is powered by a lithium-ion battery. Recharging can be done while the device is in use, and we also have the option to remove the battery, charge it at home, and then reinstall it to continue working on the construction site. The laser level comes with the RD600 Digital receiver, which displays height differences numerically on the screen. The receiver is characterized by a wide detection range. That is 127 millimeters, and it is very precise and durable, able to withstand tough conditions on the construction site. Nivel System rotary levels are covered by both warranty and post-warranty support. We have a well-developed network of local service centers both in the country and abroad. We offer services such as calibration, inspections, and repairs. You can find more information from our distributors as well as on the website www.nivelsystem.com.